If you are not that crafty or on a budget, I have a Christmas DIY that you can do. To start, you will need 1 wreath form from the Dollar Tree and 2 packs of garland for 1 wreath. I cut several pieces of garland about 5 inches long, and I'm twisting them along the wreath to form branches. I did about 3 pieces per section. Pull the branches out and fluff the wreath. Since my wreath was going to have a lot of ornaments, I'm just lightly spraying it with white spray paint to give a snow appearance. Let's decorate. I'm taking a door sign from the Dollar Tree and attaching the wreath using a piece of floral stem. I will be attaching bulbs in clusters. To make my clusters, I just put 3 to 4 bulbs together using a green pipe cleaner. Now that all 5 clusters of balls have been added, I'm going to go in and add my floral stems for all the florals. To do this, I just twist the stem around the wreath form since it already has wire on the inside of it. Now, I'm no expert bow maker, but I made a bow to go on the top to hide the hook that I'm going to make to hang my wreath on. I will link a video below from another YouTuber that I used to make my bow. I don't like it when a wreath is hung by ribbon because it looks twisted, so I'm going to use a hook that I'm making with 2 pipe cleaners, and that is what I'm going to use to hang my wreath.